Hello everyone! For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork ribs na sabaw kasi malamig ang panahon ngayon. Wow! Ito yung pork ribs na gawin kong sabaw. Then, ito yung gulay na ihalo ko, mustard green vegetables. Wow! Then, 6 pieces garlic and then shiitake mushroom at ginger. Itong shiitake mushroom, luto na po ito. Before natin lutuin yung pork ribs, pakuluan muna natin ito para mawala yung impurities ng pork ribs. Wow! Then, pag kumulo na, i-drain ito at hugasan. Painitin ang kawali at maglagay ng mantika. Iprito ko muna itong garlic. Iprito ito hanggang mag-turn into color brown ang garlic. Wow! Nagkulay brown na yung garlic. Tanggalin na natin. Then yung gulay, tapos ko na na-slice at nahugasan. At ito naman din yung pork ribs. Wow! Ito na yung garlic na naprito ko and then shiitake mushroom na i-slice ko na and then ginger. Nagpakulo na ako ng tubig. Ilagay ko na yung pork ribs. And then yung garlic ilagay ko na rin. And then yung shiitake mushroom at saka yung ginger. And then takpan ito at pakuluan ng mga about 20 minutes in medium flame. After 20 minutes, ito na yung sabaw natin at ilagay na yung gulay na mustard green. Then takpan ulit at pakuluan ng mga about 10 minutes. Para matutally cook yung gulay. After 10 minutes, ito na yung sabaw na pork ribs, guys. It's done cooking. It's ready na. I-serve na natin. Thank you for watching.